Trend of northeast rainfall in Kodagu district during 2024. If you study the planetary position in the horoscope of solar ingress of Libra or Tula Sankramana Kala or Tolayar Changrandi of 17th October 2024, a full moon day, Mercury and Venus are ahead of Sun. The mutual aspect between the Jupiter and Venus of water planets is a very good yoga for rainfall. Hence, on or around 17th October 2024, the northeast monsoon may give good rainfall in Kodagu district. On 19th October, the transit of Mars into Cancer may also bring good rainfall in Kodagu district. At the time of new moon dated 1st November 2024, the retrograde Jupiter in mutual aspect of Mercury may bring good spell rainfall in Kodagu district. In meantime, Tamil Nadu cyclone may affect Kodagu district. This year, Sun will enter into Scorpio sign on 16 November 2024, that is Krichangrandi. In the horoscope of solar ingress of Scorpio, the mutual opposition of Sun and Moon in fixed sign and Kendra position of Saturn and Jupiter is a yoga for major earthquake affecting north and eastern parts of our country. During this period, rainfall is expected in Kodagu district. Overall, northeast monsoon remain active till December 2024. Sometimes it may extend up to January 2025. 17th 14-10-24 ತೊಲೆಯಾರ ಚಂಗ್ರಾಂತಿ ಅಣ್ಣಕ ಬುಳ್ತಬಾವು ನವಂಬರ್ 1 ಕರ್ತಬಾವು 16-12-24 ಕೃಚಂಗ್ರಾಂತಿ ಅಣ್ಣಕ ಬುಳ್ತಬಾವು ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಣಕಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಟ್ನಕ ಇಯಾಂಡತ್ರ ಈಶಾನ್ಯ ಅಣ್ಣಕ ಬಡಕ ಕೇಕ್ ಮಳೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಕತ್ನೆ ಪೊಯ್ಯೋಗಂತೆ ಕಾಂಬಳ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.